Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening File, then Options, and choose Proofing. This gets you into Autocorrect immediately. Once the dialog opens, make sure Replace Text as you type is checked so Excel will apply rules live. Now, add a few high-impact entries, abbreviations, trademark symbols, common typos, so you see instant wins. You're doing this to reduce repetitive typing and errors. It speeds up data entry. After adding 3-5 entries, click Add and Test in a cell to confirm behavior. Next, build a practical replacement list tailored to your worksheets. You'll create short triggers, like enter for a full address or in for an invoice line, because short keys minimize typing and error. Once done, you can paste multiple pairs in sequence or import entries from another workbook to scale quickly. Make sure to set capitalization rules and add exceptions so Excel won't replace legitimate words. This avoids frustrating overwrites. As you proceed, test each rule in diverse cells to confirm context sensitivity and refine triggers. Finish by saving your autocorrect changes and testing them in several workbooks and templates so rules behave consistently. If a replacement misfires, disable that specific rule temporarily. You don't need to turn autocorrect off entirely. Make sure to use undo immediately if Excel applies an unwanted change, then remove or edit the rule in Options to prevent repeat errors. If problems persist, restart Excel to clear cache. This often resolves unusual behavior. Then retest the corrected rules to confirm the fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.